Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you guys how to restore mag rims. These came off a 68 Camaro. What you will need is a sander, 80 grit sandpaper, 120 grit sandpaper, 220 grit sandpaper, mag aluminum polish, and a polisher. As you can see, these are the mags. I did one already. I just gotta polish it. Look at that one compared to these three. They're 14-inch. And that's the sandpaper, 80, 120, and 220. That's the mother's mag and aluminum polish. Okay, let's get it started. We're gonna get started with 80 grit sandpaper. Don't forget your safety glasses and your mask. Okay, I'm gonna get another 80 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna do the side. Now with the 120 sandpaper, now I'm going to start the opposite way. Another 120 sandpaper. Now with the 220 sandpaper. One last 220 sandpaper. Even it out. That's how it looks. I haven't cleaned it yet. I usually use 2 sandpapers of each. 80, 120, and 220. Wipe it down. I mean, you can use more. I mean, if you want to get all exactly every single mark off, you could use 3. And you could probably get every single mark off, but I just want to chrome it out, make it look real nice and shiny, as you can see. Next thing I'm going to do is get some of this mag and aluminum polish. Put it on it. Okay, time to polish it. That's what it's looking like so far. Now I'm going to take the polish off. That's what it looks like after it's polished. Real nice and shiny. There's still a couple little marks, but you can always just use more sandpaper and take them off. Now I got 2 done. I got to get that one done and that one done. But look at the big difference. Look at these 2 compared to that one and that one.